No, it's ours.
Yeah, I'm just going to put this one back. Watch out, mate. Watch out.
Yeah, cool.
I need a pizza, eh? It's so good!
Oh, she'd be having a fit. Seriously, guys. Guys, seriously, if you've got like a pen and paper. Have you got a pen and paper? You can leave a note inside saying, yeah, you're a dick. I'm seriously putting this on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube, do it. Put it, yeah. We stole a fridge. Put it as we stole a fridge.
No, we'll get fucking arrested and we're like, yeah,
no, we put it back.
Collect the evidence.
And here's the third one.
We've only got about 20 pictures now, so it's not a problem.
Yeah, Andy, seriously, don't bother, mate. Seriously, don't. What was that? Don't bother.
Jez, you don't even know this.
And you put it on
Yeah, give me side view and the front view. Perfect. Perfect. Police have got no job to do now.
If it's back, you know, it's obviously a mistake. Jez was very drunk, and I said, yeah, fine. No, you're quite drunk.
I'm not.
Mine's very close.
Andy, seriously, mate, don't. I mean, don't.
Carry it. Right,
Will this affect your future political career? Well, I was assuming I stole a fridge. Seriously, about me, don't put it on YouTube. I can't actually. Oh, that's from the fingers across it.
Right. Here we go, guys. Off
Yeah,
we go.
let's go. And now the Pussies are taking it back. Pussies!
Tell you what, guys, we can put this one back and get a bigger one.
Let's do it.
Alright. You just said both come first.
Don't live in the day, man. Don't live in the faggot bitch.
Faggot bitch!